Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2009 Jeep Wrangler X in detonator yellow. With a gray vinyl interior and seating for 4, this two-door Jeep has a 6-speed manual transmission and a 3.8-liter V6 4x4 engine. It's easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as manually operated windows and locks. The driver's seat is manually operated. Off to the side there are your lighting controls. Your steering wheel can tilt. This is a manual transmission, so foot on the clutch and turn the key. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also a menu you can toggle through. Odometer, trip A, trip B, outside temperature, and background again to odometer. Off to the side there's your media display screen with AM, FM radio, CD, auxiliary line in, and Bluetooth. CD player located just there with your volume tuner, auxiliary line in, and a USB outlet. Below that is a storage bin. Climate control with front and rear defrost. 12-volt outlet there, as well as here. Traction control and hazard lights. Below that is a little storage bin. 4x4 shifter, 6-speed manual transmission shifter, emergency brake, little bit of storage, couple of cup holders just there. Off the sides, your locking glove compartment, as well as a handle. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, and grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in. 16-inch wheels, black door handles, driver's side fuel cap. Your back hatch has a rear windshield wiper, a spare tire, and a trailer hitch. When you're ready to open up that trunk, there's a handle to the left of that spare tire. Simply pull on that handle there to open up the bottom part of the trunk. When you're ready to open up the rest of the trunk there, simply take your hand underneath the glass there and pull up to open up the trunk fully. You'll notice the inside's nice and roomy and also carpeted. Just in the center there is that clip to fold down that rear seat, as well as the pulley to bring it back. When you're ready to close up that trunk, simply put your hand on the top part of the glass there and pull down to close the glass part. When you're ready to close up the rest of the trunk, simply take your hand on the side of the bottom part there and push until it clicks closed. It's now securely closed. You can lock it up and walk away or head out on your latest adventure. I've already slid that front seat forward. You now have access into the rear seat with seating for 2 in bench style seats. When you're ready to access that cargo area, there's a clip in between the 2 headrests, which I've already used to show you how it looks. When you're ready to fold that seat back up in its original position, simply take your hand underneath there and push until the seat clicks in its upright position. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. Off to the side there, 3-point seat belts. In the center, a couple of cup holders. And up above, lighting and speakers. Black bumper, wheel flares, side view mirrors, halogen headlights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.